And we're back to learning Illustrator in here, day 30. Let me show you how I can create dotted outlines. Once again, we need Windows stroke. This opens this menu and make sure that show options is active. It's actually under dashed outlines, so check the box for dashed line. Let me zoom in a little bit. We have a stroke weight of 25 points and a dash now of 12 points. We've got these rectangles, and if you use the cap, you can see this adds the roundness. But for us to be able to see properly, I'll increase the gap a little bit. We don't need the corners, we need the caps. And now you can see we have this pill shape. And it's actually not the relation between weight and dash that makes it a circle or a pill. So you don't have to worry about that. All that you have to do is to go down with the dash. So if I go to 1, we almost have a perfect circle. And if I adjust the weight to 1, you can see it just makes it smaller. So weight now is simply the size. Oh, let me go back to 25. And you go to 0 for dash, you have only the caps, and this makes this a perfect circle. So set the dash to 0 points, adjust the size of it via weight. If you want to have the pills, then increase the dash. But again, if you just want to have circles, make it 0. And then the relationship between weight and gap, this is important, because if you make it as big as your weight, you can see that if I make this bigger, at some point we get overlaps. And this is due to the gap. You have to have a gap that's at least as big as your weight, and then you have these circles touching each other. But if your gap is smaller, you have overlaps. And if your weight is bigger than your gap, you have kind of like a separator, kind of like an empty space between the circles. So once again, 0 points for dash, set the cap to round, and adjust the weight to get the size that you need, and afterwards adjust the gap depending on if you want to have overlaps or these empty spaces. And this is how I can create dotted outlines in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.